Hey girl, how do you want to show up and show out in 2024? In this unique vision board gathering hosted by moi, Makara Reed at MIIEN Consultancy, we'll talk you through actionable wardrobe tools that are fun and effective and that will kick your year off with a bang. Where did you leave that savvy woman in 2023? Want to make a big impression in 2024? No need to worry. Makara will give you the knowledge, empowerment, and strategy to begin your mission and find your personal style. The wardrobe theme is Style Mission. If you've read the book What's Your Mean, you'll have an understanding of Makara's proprietary tool. When Makara says Style Mission, this is what she means regarding personal style. The purpose for existence. Why it exists, or what purpose it serves. What do you do and who you are? This defines you. During the workshop, you'll learn about what works for you and your lifestyle and the wealth of opportunities that'll come your way once you found your look. You'll get to meet other like-minded women who are on their style missions, so you're not on your own. At this fashion vision board party, you'll learn your identity and your style, how to map out color concepts, how to find fashion inspiration and consistency, how to pair your core values with clothing, and more. Please note this event is ideal for women aged 25 and up who are looking to dress with purpose personally or professionally and create a foundation for their daily personal appearance. This consultancy is you driven, not trend driven. So we are not covering fashion trends, celebrity fashion, or who wore what. Price includes free parking, supplies for vision board making, food and drinks, lessons to get you started, networking. The event is located in Essex County, New Jersey. The full address will be released to attendees who purchase the tickets on Monday, January 1st, 2024. So purchase your ticket now to the Fashion Vision Board Party, Manifesting Your Style Mission Workshop. See you soon.